Hi, and welcome to our overview of DynaPictures. Thanks for checking out this review of a really cool image automation service. This is an AI review, and we're excited to tell you about a tool that makes creating images incredibly simple. DynaPictures is basically your automated design team in the cloud. Think of it like this. You create a template once, connect it to your data, and boom. You can generate hundreds or thousands of unique images automatically. Pretty neat, right? Let's talk about what makes it special. First off, you don't need any design skills to use it. The drag and drop editor makes it super easy to create templates. You can make social media posts, marketing materials, certificates, or really any kind of image you need. What's really cool is how it connects with other tools. You can hook it up to Google Sheets, Zapier, or even your own applications through their API. So if you're managing a social media campaign or need to create personalized images for customers, DynaPictures can handle it automatically. The pricing is pretty straightforward. They have plans starting at $29 per month, and there's even a free option if you're just getting started and need fewer than 30 images monthly. People who use DynaPictures really seem to love how it saves them time and makes their workflows smoother. It's especially popular with marketers, business owners, and developers who need to create lots of images quickly. Want to learn more? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for DynaPictures to get all the details. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you understand what DynaPictures can do for your image creation needs.